Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thanks for joining me. Today I was at my local gun shop at Shoot Point Blank in Carmel, Indiana, and I saw this. The new version of the Sig P365. Everything is the same about the gun, except now the slide comes in this silver, gray, whatever you want to call it. It just says P365 on the side. Everything else is exactly the same about the gun. Nothing else has changed. It's got the same night sights on it. This particular one doesn't have a safety. It's just the silver coated stainless slide. Now, also on the table, you have the Glock 43X. And when this came out, of course, this is not the first time that a manufacturer has used this color scheme. But when this came out, there was either you hated it or people liked it. This one has the AmeriGlow sights on it. But you either hated it or loved it. Some people did not buy this particular model, color configuration, hoping that they would come out with an all-black version, which of course they did. But people were complaining about, no, that looks horrible. What was Glock thinking? And then Sig comes out with this, and the comments that I've heard are, wow, that looks so cool. So just wanted to show it to you, quick video. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like it better in all gray? And which one do you like better? Do you like better the Glock 43X, or do you like better the Sig P365? So here it is. Let me show you both one more time. I'm sure you're familiar, very familiar with both of them. And as far as Sig is concerned, I'm waiting for the SAS to come in. So the P365 SAS, as soon as I have it, I'll show it to you. And so here you go, the difference. On the left, the Glock 43X, of course, has the AmeriGlow sights, and the Sig on the right has the Sig X-ray night sights. So there you go. Quick short video, wanted to show it to you. Just saw it in my local gun shop, so I had to grab it. And leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you not care? Glock 43X. Which one do you like best? Thanks for stopping by. And always remember to support your local gun shops. They're the ones that are not going to turn their backs on you in these uncertain times for our rights. And until the next one, God bless.